How big is this universe, really? In the entire history of humanity so far, what have we actually come to know about this universe and its mysteries? And will we ever be able to step beyond the Milky Way?
Let's begin this journey of astonishing questions and try to understand what truly lies beyond our world, and what mysteries are hidden in the vast distances of space.
This is Earth, the place where you live, a seemingly huge planet filled with everything you've ever known. But how does our huge Earth compare to the vast universe beyond it? Let's start close to home, with the moon. It seems so near, glowing brightly in our night sky. Yet, it's much farther than it feels, about 384,400 kilometers away. Imagine this, about 30 Earths lined up could fit between us and the moon.
If you drive a car at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour without stopping, it would take you 160 days to reach the moon.
Our Earth would look incredibly large, a blue and white marble floating in an endless black sky.
Now, zoom out to the Mars.
A space probe recently snapped an image of Earth from the Martian surface. See that tiny dot? That's Earth, about 347 million kilometers away, on average, nearly 900 times farther than the moon.
The speed of light. The fastest thing in the universe takes around 19 minutes to travel between us and Mars, making real-time conversation impossible across this gap.
Pushing even farther, beyond the orbits of planets, is Voyager 1, the most distant human-made spacecraft. As of 2025, Voyager 1 has traveled an astonishing 25 billion kilometers from Earth, or about 168 astronomical units. 1 astronomical unit is the Earth-Sun distance. It zooms outward at 17 kilometers per second, carrying a timeless message, the golden record, a snapshot of humanity. From Voyager's vantage point, Earth is just a pale, fragile dot, a tiny, beautiful speck lost in the vast glare of the sun. Even so, this dot is home to billions of stories, dreams, emotions, and histories, all wrapped into one fragile ball of life. Voyager 1 will continue drifting through interstellar space, but it won't escape our solar system's farthest edges for another 30,000 years. Beyond lies the interstellar neighborhood, where distances are so vast we measure them in light years, the distance light travels in a year, almost 9.5 trillion kilometers. Our nearest star neighbor, Proxima Centauri, is still over 4 light-years away, requiring tens of thousands of years for any spacecraft traveling at Voyager's speed to reach.
Zooming out further, we can see the entire Milky Way galaxy. Our Earth is here. This yellow circle shows the range of our radio broadcasts. Any aliens beyond this range would have no idea humans exist. Our galaxy is about 200,000 light-years across, as updated by 2025 research, with roughly 100 billion stars and 100 billion planets. But you'll never see all of that at night. 90% of the stars you can see are within a very small patch of the sky. And even this vast galaxy is tiny compared to what it's part of. Zoom out again, and we see what's called the local group of galaxies, a collection of nearby space spanning about 10 million light-years and containing a few dozen galaxies. Zoom out more, and we see the Virgo supercluster, of which the local group is a very small part. It spans about 110 million light-years. But even this massive supercluster is a grain of sand compared to Laniakea, the supercluster that contains around 100,000 galaxies like ours. Its span from one end to the other is a staggering 520 million light-years. And if we zoom out to the observable universe, we find that even the titanic Laniakea supercluster is a tiny part of the cosmos we can currently see. This is the observable universe, the entirety of what we've been able to detect so far with modern telescopes. There are at least 200 trillion galaxies here, and together they contain more stars than all the grains of sand on Earth. From Earth to any edge of the observable universe is about 46.5 billion light-years, which means the full diameter is about 93 billion light-years. What's even more fascinating is what lies beyond the part we can see. Remember, the observable universe is only what we can currently observe with our instruments.
It's entirely possible that the universe beyond this is far larger and far more wondrous than we can imagine. We can't even conceive of what might be out there because the light from those regions has never reached Earth and might never reach us, since the universe is expanding faster than light can bridge some of those distances. This means that even if humanity survives for millions of years, there will always be regions of the universe forever hidden from us, no matter how hard we try to find them. According to calculations from the theory of cosmic inflation, the entire universe could be about 1,500 million times larger than the observable universe. Here's how that number compares. If the observable universe were the size of a football, then the entire universe would be the size of Earth. Imagine living inside a football with no idea that the universe is that vast. But we shouldn't be intimidated by this. Instead, we should feel inspired by how much there is to explore in this immense cosmos. Thanks for joining this cosmic journey. What do you think about the universe's vastness? Bigger than you imagine? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this voyage through space and time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic adventures. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and keep growing.